Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn profile step by step. So let's get started. First, download and open the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you already have the app installed, just open it. Once it is open, tap Join Now to start creating your account. In the next step, you need to add your first name and last name. Once you type them, tap Next. Then, in the next step, you need to add your email address or phone number, depending on how you want to create your account. In this video, I will create the account using an email address. After this, create a password for your account. Make sure it is strong to secure your account, then tap Continue. After that, you need to fill in your most recent experience. You can start by selecting whether you are a student or not. Then, choose your country and location, and add your most recent job. After this, LinkedIn might ask you to select your most recent company. Now, you need to upload a profile photo, or you can also skip this step for now and add it later. After this, you need to verify your account. Depending on what you used, email or phone number, LinkedIn will send you a code. Since I used an email address, the code will be sent to my email. Find the code and enter it here to verify your account. If you use a phone number, you will receive the code via SMS. Then, LinkedIn might ask if you are looking for a job. Here, you will see options like Yes, I'm actively looking for a job, or Not really, but I would consider the right opportunity. Just select the option that fits you best. LinkedIn may also suggest connecting with people you know. You can choose to add connections or skip this step. Now, you can edit your profile, add skills, work experience, and a profile headline. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile has now been created successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.